I'm doing good. Today I'll show you how you can take backup on your WordPress website. You can take backup several methods, but now I'll show you how you can take backup easily. So if you want to learn on this topics, you just stay with me. Alright. So first you go in WordPress website and you must be login here. I mean your WordPress website. Now I'm working on like localhost, but you can log in your live website or something else. So if you want to like take backup, then you should go to plugin section. Then you come here, then you should just install all migration. I mean all-in-one WordPress migration. I already installed this one. So if you have no install, then you can go new plugin. Then you can search here like all in one. Yeah, this plugin is coming. You just check this plugin. This is the original plugin. So then you just need to install as like this one. Already installed on my computer on my website. That's why showing the active. So I'm just click here for active. Yeah, this is activated. So now if you want to take backup, then you go to like this here. I mean import export option. There in many option. You just click here for export. Here in showing backup. If you want to create backup, then you can create backup from here. And if you want to export, then you just click here, then file, then preparing the new backup file, then you can take backup. Here it's already done. It's take a short time because this is the new dummy website. That's why not too much file, too much content. That's why. So yeah, you can make a backup from here. Also take backup from export. So if I want to create backup from here, then I can just click here again. Yeah, it's done. So now I want to just download this one. Yep. So hello. Yeah, file downloading started. So now if you want to import with another website, same as you need to install this plugin, then you should go to like import. Then you drop here your file, your all-in-one file. Then you can just start importing. So that's it, and thanks for the watching, and let me know if you have any question. Thank you. Bye bye.